Doesn't North Carolina already allow some public education dollars to be given to people to use at private institutions of their choice at other levels of education?
That's right. The pre-kindergarten program is a voucher program. We give money for kids to attend pre-K schooling in both public and private settings in very much a voucher way. We give them a set amount of money, and they take that money to the school that best meets their needs. Also in higher education, loans and scholarships go to students who attend private institutions, and that's happened for decades. Interestingly enough, we also give money in our K-12 system for families that have special needs kids in districts that cannot meet their needs. The district may give them public money to go to a private institution. Now, we're talking maybe 30 or 40 kids a year receive these funds, but it has happened that public money has gone to private institutions in the K-12 system. And so it's hard to say that money right now is going exclusively to the public school system when there's money flowing to private funds already.
So you've talked about the legal basis of the complaint from these groups on the left side of the spectrum. What do you think is really at the heart of their complaint?
Well, they like the monopoly. They like the traditional public school system. They have the most sway over that system, and they don't want to see that money go away. This is about trying to keep as much money in the system that they value, that they have controlled for years, and now that money is threatened to go elsewhere. But I think something else is happening too, is that they don't want parents to have a taste of what choice is like, to have the luxury of being able to choose the best school for their children. Because what we have found in other voucher programs is that once parents get into voucher programs, they love it. They love having that freedom. And once they taste some of that freedom and others start to partake in it, then families, more and more families, want choice. And that's the last thing that these groups want.